Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Boolex Sports Gloves, marketed as tactical winter gloves with touchscreen compatibility and military-grade durability. But with no third-party reviews, misleading marketing, and $3 Alibaba lookalikes, is this worth $70 or just another dropshipping markup? Let's investigate. The critical problem: zero independent verification. While the website shows many positive reviews, there are no reviews on trusted third-party platforms like Trustpilot. Most testimonials appear repetitive, generic, and lack real customer photos. Scam Advisor investigation found BoolexStore.com has low trust ratings. Reviews gave it a 49% trust score. Grindsoft rated it 56 out of 100. The dropshipping reality: similar gloves are available on platforms like Alibaba for under $3. This suggests they may be inexpensive dropshipped items rebranded and sold at higher prices with exaggerated claims. You're paying $70 for gloves that cost $3 wholesale, a 2,200% markup with fancy branding. Misleading marketing exposed. Fake media endorsement. BoolexStore.com shows logos of CNN, MSN, and New York Post, giving impression the product has been featured. However, website provides no links, articles, or proof, making use of these logos misleading. Impossible claims. Gloves claim to enhance grip strength, prevent injuries, and improve athletic performance. In reality, gloves can only provide comfort, padding, or improved friction. They cannot increase strength or prevent joint injuries. Vague specifications. Terms like advanced grip technology, shock-absorbing design, and weatherproof used repeatedly without details about materials, padding, thickness, grip composition, or testing standards. Gloves described as thin enough for touchscreen use while also being fully insulated, waterproof, and highly protective. In reality, gloves involve compromises between warmth, thickness, and flexibility. The website doesn't explain these trade-offs. You cannot have ultra-thin touchscreen gloves that are also fully insulated winter gloves. It's physically contradictory. What they actually are: basic touchscreen winter gloves, a real and popular product category available everywhere. However, the heavy use of marketing language, urgency tactics, unclear technical details, and limited transparency raises concerns. They may function as basic gloves, but the way they are promoted makes it difficult to judge their true quality or value. The final verdict: Boolex Sports Gloves are overpriced dropshipping with misleading marketing. For $70, you can buy Columbia, The North Face, or Mechanics Wear, established brands with transparent specs, verified reviews, and real customer service. Don't fall for military-grade marketing and fake CNN logos. Buy from brands that prove their claims. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.